is no longer news that the fastest way to move abroad in 2026 is via the study pathway. Moving to a country to study and then find your way to becoming a permanent resident and then to a citizen. Over the years, I have had the opportunity to interact with a lot of you via one-on-one section, and I have come to realize that at least a 75% of you that watch me are not eligible for a work visa. And the honest truth is, the more you keep trying, the more you keep doing the same thing and over again, and the more you will get no results. And also, I have realized that 50% of my followers are interested to move to Canada. And guys, last year, I came up with something. I said, what can I do to assist my followers that want to move to Canada, USA, with a study route, but they are financially not capable to foot those bills? We are not going to lie to each other. We know that the cost of moving abroad with a study visa can be high, and an average individual might not be able to afford it, right? So I came up with solutions to this problem, because trust me when I tell you, I am very passionate about what I do, and I want the best for all of you that watch me on a daily basis. Guys, last year in 2025, when I was pregnant for my daughter, I started making research. I started meeting up with organizations that can assist with loans and trying to partner with schools that can also give you admission, and then the loan company will give you a loan. Guys, at the end of the day, I have achieved these things, and I'm here to let you know that I can comfortably assist you with your moving abroad in 2026. And by August 2026, by God's willing, you will be able to relocate to Canada or USA with a study visa and a loan to foot your bills. That sounds interesting, right? For this opportunity, guys, you do not need any IELTS. You can move with your family on today's opportunity. Yes, you heard me. There is no age limit for this opportunity. No age limit. And by August of 2026, you should be in Canada. Yes, so if this sounds so nice to you, and yes, you want to get moving with a study loan to either Canada or USA in 2026, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to break down every information you need, the cost, the everything, a lot will be broken down in this video, guys. Step by step, how we're going to do it, and our service charge. Of course, it's not going to be for free, right? So guys, stay tuned and let us do this together. By the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Adeze. On this channel, I make contents that can enable you to move abroad without breaking the bank. So if this sounds so interesting to you, you might want to keep watching, and then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. And do not forget, we rise when we lift others. So hit that share button. A lot of people out there have been scammed by gullible agents. A lot of people have been victims of different challenges trying to move abroad. They might find this information helpful. And don't forget to like this video if it makes your day. Let's proceed, guys. And my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Let's go into details. So, besties, I can comfortably say I partner with over 200 universities in Canada, USA, UK. But yes, currently, our loan partners do not have loan for the UK at the moment. So we can still get you admission to go to UK, but no loan for the UK. But if you are looking for loan, we can get you admission for loan and admission in Canada and then in USA. We can also process applications to Ireland, Australia, and Germany. So if you are interested to study in Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Ireland, and Germany, then you are welcome to reach out to us to do these applications. But for loan purposes, our loan is only available to USA and Canada. So guys, how is this going to work? The main reason I am making this video is because I want any of you coming through me to be successful. I want to be as explicit as possible and as, truthful as possible in this video, because Many of you that know me before, I have my slogan for this life. And my slogan in this life is Viam Veritatis Elegi. It's a Latin word that means I have chosen the way of truth. Guys, the last thing I would do is to sit down here and lie to you or tell you what will not work. I don't do that. I don't indulge in that. Right? So that's why I've taken it upon myself to tell you what you will do to stand a chance of getting this loan, what you shouldn't do, and everything you should make sure you have before you come to me, because I don't want you to come to me and it didn't work. Remember, when we talk about moving abroad, it's in stages. This loan is in 3 stages. Number 1 stage is you will come to us. We will do your initial assessment. After your initial assessment, we will do your study application to schools for you. After we have done applications, you get admission. We move to the next step, which is loan. To any of you coming to us, we will be assigned a loan manager. Each one of you will have a loan manager working on your case. Now, when we assign you the loan manager that will take care of your case, and you successfully get the loan, you will now proceed to visa application. Visa application is now on you. My services ends when you get the loan. If you now want us to do visa, we talk about it. Getting admission, getting the loan, and getting the visa is 3 different things. Admission, loan is separate from visa. For you to get a Canada visa or visa to any country, it depends on the government of that country that will want to give you their visa. I don't have power to give you a visa. Nobody has the power to give you a visa. No this and no this. I hope that makes sense. So they are in 3 stages like I have explained. Now, moving forward, what can you do to stand a chance to get this loan? Number 1, you must ensure that you have your tuition deposits in your bank account before we apply for the loan. What does this mean? Now, the loan only covers your tuition balance. Many schools we are operating with, they have their tuition deposit. Every school, once you have gotten admission, you pay a tuition deposit that keeps the seat automatically for you to show you're serious. That's what tuition deposit is. Many of the schools we are partnering with, their tuition deposit ranges from $3,000, $2,000, $1,500, $4,000. The maximum we have is $5,000 Canadian dollars for tuition deposits. I hope this makes sense. So let's say, for example, your school fees is, let's say, 18,000 Canadian dollars, and the tuition deposit is 2,000 Canadian dollars. Ensure that you have 2,000 Canadian dollars in your bank account that you used to pay for the tuition deposit before we start the loan application. This loan will now pay the balance of 16,000 Canadian dollars for you. I hope this is clear and loud, right? So that means if you don't have the tuition deposit in your account as of the time we start the loan application, you might be denied. Because the loan company wants to ensure you have that tuition deposit, as they don't cover it, so that they don't give you a loan and you come up with the story that you don't have your deposits. So be assured that the deposit is not a big deal. It is something you can comfortably afford. The next thing is that will make you stand out and get this loan is ensure at the time of applying for this loan, in your country, you are not on any loan. You cannot be on loan and you are looking for loan. Let's say you have picked a loan before now and you have paid off your loan. That's fine. It will not affect you. Make sure no loan is currently running in your account, because they are going to find out. They will do something we call what? Credit check. No matter your country, they will do a credit check and they will find out. The next thing I want to state here is, these are the things that might restrict you from getting the loan. These 2 information I have given you right now. Now, what's the next step? The documents you need for this loan application. Number 1, you will need your degree certificates. Number 2, you will need your degree transcripts. Number 3, you will need a curriculum vitae, CV. Number 4, you will need your statement of purpose. Number 5, you will need your full address to the country you are living. The sixth document is that you will need your photo passports. Guys, these are the only documents that you need for you to get this loan. It's not a big deal. And the seventh document is reference letter. You need a referee, a reference from academic reference or from your employer to show you have something doing. Does that make sense? So guys, you don't need any consignee. Our loan does not need any collateral. So yes, why not? You are welcome. The interest on this loan ranges from 9% to 15% interest rates. And you have up to 20 years maximum to repay the loan. And the loan starts repayment after 1 year you have graduated. After your graduation, they will give you 1 year to get a job. Once you get a job in the country, they will now divide your money into 20 equal installments. If you tell them you want to use 20 years to pay, if you want to pay in 10 years, they will divide your money in 10 equal installments. Every month, you will now be, as in 10 years, as in monthly installment for 10 years. Every month, you are now paying back your loan. I hope this makes sense. The next question a lot of you might ask me is how to get admission. Guys, the schools we partner with, their cutoff is 70% of your total CGPA. Let's say, for example, if your school, the CGPA is 5.0, you should be having at least a 3.5 for you to stand a chance to get admission with our partner schools. Does that make sense? Let's say your CGPA is 4.0, right? You need at least a 2.8 for you to get admission with our partner schools. Some schools can take lesser, but 90% of the schools require 70% of your total CGPA. Does this make sense? So please, before you come to us, calculate your CGPA. The last time I made a video about diploma in Canada, I told you guys you need a credit in English and maths. One person that have a pass still came to me, paid for application. Please, I don't need that. Do your calculations and ensure you are eligible before you come to us. This will save me time and also save you time because the amount you are paying for a service charge is non-refundable. Now, the next information I would love to drop is this loan is only for master's students and the PhD students. Please, I am begging you in the name of God, if you don't have a bachelor's degree, this opportunity, especially for Canada, is not for you. Canada will not give you master's program with a diploma certificate. If you have diploma, you can only do postgraduate diploma in Canada. And this loan to Canada does not cover postgraduate. It only covers master's and PhD. And yes, the big question is, Mama P, I want to move with my family. Is there IELTS? No, there is no IELTS. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, and different African countries, you don't need IELTS to study in Canada. And yes, to move to Canada with a master's degree or PhD, you can legit move with your family. Yes, you are welcome to move with your family on this loan opportunity. So guys, there is also no age limit. There is no age limit. No matter your age, currently we are doing application for someone almost 60 years. Yes, so there is no age limit. So guys, this is it for this opportunity. I hope I have addressed every query you might want to ask. And if you still have any query crucial to the loan, you can drop the question in the comment section. How do you book for these services? I will provide a link on our seller account or on Stan Store, anyone that is better for you to pay in. Our services are not free. You pay for our services. And please don't come in the comment section to ask me what are the names of the school. I can't give you that information. These are people I am partnering with as a company. For those that does not know, Applicants Limited is a registered limited company here in the UK. We are an organization. We are an institute on our own. We are a company. We are in partnership. So don't come here to ask me which schools. This one, don't ask me such questions. If you are interested, you book for our services. The link will be pinned in the comment section. You pay the fee, and once you pay, it will lead you to our WhatsApp, not the company WhatsApp, a WhatsApp of my staff that is in charge of these loan applications. In charge means she's the one to collect your information. So once you chat her on WhatsApp, She will give you a form to fill. When you come on WhatsApp, just say, I paid for loan. She will give you a form to fill. You will fill the form, and when you fill the form, she will register you on our database. After the registration, she will book a meeting for you and I. You will be having a meeting with me. The applications we are going to do will be in front of you. Nothing will be done behind you. During my meeting, I will do the applications myself. I'm the one doing applications myself. I don't leave my staff to do that. So during the meeting, we will give you all the options of schools and the programs you are going for. And then at the same time, we are also, you choose what you want based on the fees. Different schools have different school fees. So you have the option to choose the school you want, the province you want to go, and the school fees that is better for you, right? So when you choose that, we'll now do applications for you. Your job is to give us documents that we need. We will handle the application from start to finish. Your only job is, if we need any document, you give it to us. I hope this makes sense. Now, for the programs that are eligible, every program in STEM is eligible. Science, technology, mathematics, and engineering. Then health sciences, nursing. If you're a registered nurse, you want to do masters in Canada, you're eligible. Social work, we have loan for social work. We have loan for those of you in accounting, management, business administration, data science and analytics. Guys, we have loan. Even people in arts department, we have loan for you. We have loans in every sector. So yes, you are welcome to apply. So guys, I will be dropping it here, and I hope that this opportunity is going to help a lot of you to move to Canada in 2026 and the USA. Thank you, do not mention. So the link to book will be pinned in the comment section, and it will also be in the description box. I'll see you guys in the meeting if you are going for this opportunity. And those of you that registered for our Odogo package, please, you are not going to pay for the loan. If you're interested in the loan, chat me up via my personal WhatsApp that you have, and we'll do applications for the loan for you. So I wish you guys the best of luck, and I will see you guys in our next one. Bye.